Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your WhatsApp voice note. Now first of all open your mobile phone and go to WhatsApp application. Now go to anyone's messages and click on this microphone logo. Now after clicking on this microphone logo, if you haven't given permission to speak, then go to settings, go to app permissions and go to music and audio, or scroll down a little bit, go to microphone and click on allow only while using the app and go back. Now you have given permission to speak on WhatsApp, and if it's still not working, then restart your mobile phone, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi connection by turning off and on your Wi-Fi connection, or you can also go to App Store or your Play Store to check if your WhatsApp is on your latest update. As you can see, my WhatsApp is on the latest update, so it is all fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.